In primetime news this evening, Canadian Farm Work Program again under scrutiny as family of dead worker demands answers. Canadian visa requirements for regional countries lifted, but not for Jamaicans. And no confrontation. Legal and Constitutional Affairs Minister responds to concerns about legalizing gay marriages in Jamaica.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, early last year, the government spearheaded the introduction of the Tourism Workers Pension Scheme. And this year, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett is indicating that they're planning to expand that to the region. So I'll give the details a little later on.
All right, and Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. Well, a strong 15-member Sunshine Girls squad has been named for this summer's Netball World Cup. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Now, guys, I'm hearing that it's pouring rain in Montego Bay, and I heard that it's probably going to rain for the rest of the week. Romain is here with a preview of what's coming in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Yes, thank you, Janella. We do have strong showers and a few thunderstorms across sections of the west, including some parts of St. James, some parts of Montego Bay, and some parts of Trelawney as well. We're expecting these conditions to continue tonight into tomorrow, and we are expecting even more rain on Thursday.
And there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What do you make of Canada's decision to exclude Jamaica from its most recent list of visa-free travel countries?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.